What's up, everybody, and welcome back to another math puzzle. In this one, the question is as follows. Can you evaluate this crazy expression mentally? So you see we got some radicals, an index of 5, exponents, all that good stuff. Hit that pause button and see if you can figure it out. When you're ready, hit play and I'll give you the explanation. So what we can see here is we've got an exponent and then we've got this entire expression raised to another exponent, etc. So let's start by simplifying this a little bit. Now, when you have an exponent outside like this, that means these two are going to multiply. So now we're going to have 7 to the 20th power and the 5th root of that. And we're going to deal with this denominator in a second. So the interesting thing about taking the 5th root of 7 to the 20th, yeah, I could calculate 7 to the 20th, but that's a massive number. So I don't want to do that, at least not yet. But instead, when I take the 5th root, I think, what times itself 5 times is going to give me 7 to the 20th? That's 7 to the 4th. Another way to think about it is basically when you're simplifying something like this, you divide that exponent by the index. So 20 divided by 5 is 4, so that's going to be 7 to the 4th on top. Okay, now let's talk about the denominator. First things first, when we have a rational exponent, that's really saying we're taking this as the root. So we're taking the square root and then we're taking that to the 7th power. So this is also very interesting because now what we're going to have is we're going to have the square root of 49 to the 7th power. Well, the square root of 49 is just 7. So now we have 7 to the 7th power. So now let's write that out here, 7 to the 7th power. Okay, now we can simplify this a little bit more, right? So 7 to the 4th power over 7 to the 7th power. This is now going to utilize subtraction of those exponents when we have division like this with the same base, right? So 4 minus 7 is negative 3. So now we have 7 to the negative 3rd. Now if we want to simplify this to the final expression, usually what we say in mathematics is we don't want to end with a negative exponent. Of course you can, there's no hard and fast rule against it, but let's put it as 1 over 7 to the 3rd. That's the same as a negative exponent, just throw it in the denominator under 1. Last but not least, let's evaluate 7 to the 3rd. That's 7 times 7 times 7. If you want to do some quick mental math, that's 343. So 1 over 343 for the win. Boom, done. I hope you guys enjoyed this math puzzle, and if you did, please click that like button. If you want to see more math puzzles on the regular, make sure to click subscribe. Thank you guys so much for joining. I'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.